this masking fluid garbage.
Hi, I'm Kayi. 2 more subscribers hit 70, so please hit the subscribe button down below. Last episode, I colored this with watercolor and Crayola, and yeah, Crayola is a disaster to me. It just makes everything so much more challenging. So if you want to know what happens on Elsa and Ohana, you may check it out at the top right hand corner. Excluding the Crayola part, I really enjoy coloring this adorable cute little princess, and I can't wait to see who is our next Disney princess. So let's flip the page. Lilo and Stitch. As Lilo's only. Well, I don't have much interest to Lilo's. I love Stitch more. Is she even a princess?
Do animals talk to you?
Yeah. She can talk to Stitch and Scrum. So I guess she is a princess. Whatever. Again, the first thing I do is filling up the empty background. Since Lilo is from Hawaii and she's always hanging out with Scrum in beach too, so I decided to draw a beach as the background. Before I start painting, I put on the masking fluid all around the water to create the wave part. I also add some to the water to create the light reflection later on. Now let's start coloring. I first start with coloring Lilo. I always start with coloring the character's skin first. One personal reason is because it makes the character look alive, even I not yet colored the other parts. Another more professional-like reason is because the character is the main focus in this drawing, so I want to give my full attention and energy to make it look perfect. That's why I paint the character first. Her skin looks so good to me. I really love how her tan skin tones turn out. Then I move on to her little dresses and hair. If you check out the original character from Disney, the leaf pattern on her dress is supposed to be white. But I feel it would be too sharp or too stand out from the drawing if I leave it white. So I decided to tone it down and paint a bit yellow on it. Same case as her hair. The reflection provided by the drawing is too bright, so I tuned all her hair down with a purple color. I personally love using purple color instead of black because purple is a softer color compared to black, and that makes all shadow looks more soft to me. Does that make sense to you?
Oh, and here I cheat a little bit. I used Copic marker for her flower garland because I want to add a pastel rainbow color in this drawing, just like what I did in the last one. And I feel I need more control to achieve this in such a small coloring space. Yeah, so that's why I use Copic marker in here. Nothing special in coloring Scrum. She's too small to do anything special. And the next part is the beach. It is the most exciting, also challenging, and scary part to me. As what I said in my first Frozen 2 children coloring book video, I'm not good at drawing background at all. I seldom draw backgrounds for my picture, so I feel the stress. I first lay a gradient color wash to the sea and the sky. And for some reason, I cannot clearly remove my masking fluid. Like, what the heck? Please let me know in the comment down below. How can I remove the masking fluid? Yeah, it's actually ruined my drawing. I test on my scrap paper and it's worked like a charm. I'm not sure why it is not working here. So if you know anything about masking fluid, please let me know in the comment down below. I highly appreciate that. I feel it is a disaster again. And I just try to fix my mistake with the white owl. I know it's not looks good compared to using masking fluid, but I don't know what I could do. It's like the only way I can think of at this moment. Then I paint the sand. Mountain, and the tree. Nothing too special here. I just want to say I really love all the shadow laid on the sand. And again, my secret is using light purples instead of black. And here is my final touch of this drawing.
This time I really love how she's turned out, and my favorite parts are her skin tone and also her hair. Lilo has a tanned skin, which is a skin color that I always not get enough practice. And I'm so happy to see how her skin tones turn out. It looks so great. I love the shadings of her eyes and nose. I also love her reddish cheeks, hands and toes, and that make her look like have a little bit sunburn, but that is just so natural to her. And I really love the light purple reflection on her hair. These make her hair look so real and smooth. I love it a lot. I'm so happy that the beach turned out great too. Although it is not as good as what I'm expecting. Well, practice makes perfect, and I cannot wait to see who is the next princess. Please remember to subscribe so you won't miss the next episode of my Disney Princess Coloring series. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a like in this video. And lastly, love yourself, love your date, and I will see you guys someday. Bye!